Nothing quite like that first start. Oh yeah, listen to that. Yeah, just stalls, I remember. And away we go. Thank you, Mainjet. Thank you, GasGas Canada. Thank you, Aaron, and all the fine folks here at the shop. Man, I gotta move these controls around though. It's so weird to have all this stuff in different spots. Man, everything's nice and tight. And naturally, those stock mirrors have got to go. But of course, they have to go somewhere. GasGas does get lock-on grips. One of the world's tiniest Torx. You would think it'd be out and keep it. No! It's Torx. But I do appreciate the lock-ons. It's so much better than glue or wiring. Look at that. That's the way everything should be. Tapping the bars for the giant, massive, big bolts that come with the handguards from highway dirt bikes. There's no more wimpy inserts when it's together. It is going to be together. Yeah, that's solid. And there we have our Outback Motortek crash bars installed. That's some seriously solid protection. As someone's put 2 rads in one of these bikes, that makes me very happy. And from no protection to all of the protection. That's better. Oh yeah. And with our giant tail section, deleted. And there we have our highway dirt bikes ultimate handguards that just flip in completely out of the way. Nice stealth out of the trees, and then back on the road, or when you need to see your buddy behind you, just like that. All installed with the giant big bolts, mirror delete. And up in the middle, we have the dashboard remount as well. So instead of way down there, tucked away where you can't really see anything, it moves everything up and visible. The 3 little lights are going to come up and get mounted in the middle as well. So everything will be seen. And then we've got a couple of ram balls to mount both the wireless charging head and vibration dampener from Quadlock to charge the phone and hold the phone, as well as another Quadlock on a ram ball, which is to hold the drone controller. Nice, clean, tidy front end, and then a Mosko Moto tank bag. Just the little guy, and that is attached to the seat, so the seat can still be removed. So it comes off with the seat, no fuss. Also added the swing arm heel protectors with the mounting slot so I can add bags to the back. The mandatory stack of zip ties, quick draw style, so when you need them. Naturally adding the red duct tape and the new stealth turn signals. So we've gone with the LED fork mount turn signals as well as the LED flasher to go with it. We will be doing some tail lights as well. And honestly, they're okay. I had a set on the 690 that were probably 3 times as bright. Were constant on instead of this pulsing, which I really don't like. So guess what? I've already ordered a set of the other ones, and those are going to go on there next week, because these are sort of barely useful, where the other ones were in your face, extremely bright, and look at me, I'm turning now. And the mandatory Sasquatch. And dog. Alright, well, let's see if we got snow. This corner holds it pretty late at the bridge. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh, small problem. More worried about all the holes in the bridge than the snow. Seen better days. And away we go.